Please, guys, share this video. It's a quick one. I greet you all with better style. It's a very short, quick one. I'm not going to waste time. I don't need to spend much time on this broadcast. Please, just share the video. We don't go talk too much. There are a few points to give out. Yeah. So that many of you guys who are out there can also learn from this. You understand? You see, this is Frank Vito, the Omen, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otunomonoa, the social media Inuwa, the social media Akobisi, the social media boss, the social media Avielele, the social media Odafi Wedoya, Odafi We Europea, the social media Totori Piera, the social media Toto Doctor. Moi Baba with this man. I just do my drink. Odeko, Awanyo. Yes. A very quick one. To my brother, my friend. The Don, IK. You see, a few months ago, your wife was talking scratch about me. I not reply your wife. Why? Because she's a woman. You understand? She be a woman. So I don't need to come up to follow your wife the battle. You know, it don't make sense. After all, I'm a married man. Just the way you are a married man. I have to give you that respect. If your wife talk anyhow, when me and you and your wife not get issue, I see it as a toy to Monica. She's a toy to Monica. She's a puppy to Monica. She's a chihuahua to Monica. That's the reason why I'm not calling insult your wife. I just say she just try to become relevant in the society, but she's not relevant. You understand? That's the truth. There's one thing you guys should understand. If you want to make name on social media, don't let presenter to recognize you. Let the world recognize you. It is your doing, your outfit, your standing, your vibrance, and your punctuality that will make the world recognize you. No, when presenter recognize you, you will still remain stagnant. You will still be in one spot as a presenter. Many of you not get this HQ, not get this Kanuchi. But I believe that when you become a fan to Frank Vito, it will make people know you. Not lie. Not lie, my dear. I was not a fan to anybody before I was being recognized by the Most High God and by the full community of Benin Cyberspace. I was not a fan of anybody. You feel me? So I'm telling you now, straight down from my own history. And I'm still going to use to lecture charlatans out there, noisemakers out there like IK. You understand? All those noisemakers, all those little ABC, now they talk to so. You understand? I'm using my life story to give you advice. I'm not here to insult you, bro. I'm using my life story to give you advice for you to learn how to become a live video broadcaster. Now, you see the stories, the issues where they go down here now. The reason why you know the truth, you, IK. Me, I know say you know the truth. But because you decide to become, to sow yourself, you sold yourself to be a slave to a woman. That's why you become a nuisance. And that's why you're talking like a trash, like a fool. Understand? You've sold yourself to Monica. That's why you remain a fool. You see, a person like me now, I stand to be a man, to be a father to the whole nation. Waiting on the chest, you know, so you don't go for chest now. And that's the reason why I can't be a slave to any bloody idiot who came to Europe for prostitution. Instead, they will be my slave. Rather, they will be my mistress. Don't be proud. Not just reality. If you look like stupidity, make I bring the English down if I understand what's in the chat they talk with our language. If I don't speak English now, you don't go feel understand the English where they speak. Because you are an illiterate. You understand? I know they insult you, bro. You're my guy. And I love you. When they come normal level, when they talk, you be guy, man, I too go love you. You understand? Because sometimes they bring out truth and facts for your videos. That's not you don't see who they view you. But with time, God will bless you. You go see who they view you. They go to watch you. Because if they talk truth, you don't care whosoever involved. If they will go, where you know, I don't know whether they smoke, I don't know. Not if they talk. whether you smoke or you know the smoke. Maybe let's assume say the way you know go smoke, where your hair go there has. If you don't look face, you go cure the truth the way it be. But if you don't smoke or your wife don't use your hands rub your brain, your head will call it a ring. You not go know yourself again. You will talk trash like the rubbish way they talk today. You see what, my brother? I love you so much. I don't hate you. You see this media all this, so you have to say your own side of this story to make your own cash enter house. But when you join one person, they're going to form Oduga. They're going to form. My brother, I go position you because you know you rich. Stamina, you know rich. Breeze, ordinary breeze, go blow you to wait for road if I they come. You understand? So I go advise you. Alpha. What? So guys, share the video now, quick one. I don't want to talk much. I don't waste time. If I come out, just me, I just chill with one bottle of Guinness or Deco. I want you. You understand? Now Guinness, I need to follow up. I don't feel stressed myself. Go kill myself. I need to enjoy myself. No, listen. I want to quickly talk to YK. You to see when your wife they talk, bro. Believe me, I don't want to answer. I swear to God, if your wife do video, insult me, I will not answer your wife. I swear to God. Let me tell you so. I will never answer your wife. Or your wife, no, my wife. Now our wife. Now my wife, it costs us. Now my wife, it costs me. I'm not going to answer your wife. But you, open your gutter. They talk anyhow because you don't get sense. Because you want to get followers. You want to get lovers or you love Monica. You don't get sense, bro. It's so, see, me can let you know the reason why you never pass like this. You get word from man to make. I'm not considering you want to convert. You get word from man. The reason why you never grow. Now because you belong to Monica Cage. And the moment you belong to Monica Cage, you can never grow. You see, me. A lot of people see my wife na Monica fans, na GPC. They don't know see my wife. You see my wife too. My wife love you die. You love your wife die. You love all prison. Nobody with my wife not the wash. Nobody with my wife not the wash. You not get who my wife eats for this social media. If you don't know, make I tell you. Me and they confirm to you now. You not get who hate. Who she hates. But some people go feel say he love Monica and Monica fans. Like my ego was thinking say my wife na GPC. Other how they come GPC. No matter how come send anybody. If you do video, you go look there, go there. You go pick the sense inside, and that's the reason why I follow you. I so much love her because she just discriminate anybody. She took everybody as one. That's the woman where I pay her bride price, where I marry. I'm proud to say I am a husband today. Now she. My guy, you see you and Monica get who you like, get you love, you not go fail, you not go grow. Monica is suffering and smiling, they stagger. She know say me more na big fish for this industry. That's why we see the matter go kind of egg. When it's true, they want, they talk. Bro, if you never know, make you know. Now maybe Baba with a smile. Make I remove my eyeglass. But no, now go on the talk to you. Now straight Frank Victor they talk to you. If I want beat Monica, I'm not go send you. If you like, they shout like Chihuahua. They shout like Chihuahua. If I want beat Monica, I'm not gonna look your face. And have it in mind. Every niggas out there, where they support Monica, I don't give a F with them. When I'm in for Monica, I go beat like straw. I go drill like drill age. You see, we too small for me to beat like Monica. Monica, now big fish. I go chop her like gala. If you like, cry blood. I don't give a F. Any rubbish you want to talk on your platform there, Alpha, and they help you That's why I mention your name for my platform. Because I want me you grow. You stack for grant. Nobody will watch you. Please, guys, follow IK, one of those land. Make it grow. This is a father, a king to all children. I want them to grow. I am a father that want my subjects to grow. Please, I just God beg una. Make una follow IK and Dominion. Be there for grow. Because they don't still pay for this industry. They don't monetize. But when they watch their video, what would have problem? More than see they watch. Even though they're not busy, they talk more than view them. I just got beg una. For God's sake, if you know you love me, I beg una view them. Just want me. I want just to help them. I'm not call you a garden. Just come here. To go help my fellow brother. I don't take for the game. You don't take. I can one of Dutchland. I can one of you don't. Papa, you don't grow. Please, if you know you love me, I can insult me. They mention my name. Ababa, I beg you watch. Follow on. Make it still grow. Make it still get more team. Now this is what I come. So if na pampas or na pad, they take back for your wife. It's not so period the wife they see. Make it stay back pad for your wife. You understand? 50 euro, 100 euro na money, make it stay back pad for your wife. Una to they do. Hello?
Hello, Daddy, good evening. I better put up a loudspeaker.
You did?
You did loudspeaker. Daddy, I better allow me talk, not in this video. More I not follow, we are going on Gremlin. More can I not follow. Oh, go bear. I want me dinner. Oh, go bear. Baby, you know, the picking way he born. Where he picking the tell us, go carry and go give his uncle for Italy. He used his uncle, that boy papa to talk to uncle. Where that one they insult him mama for social media. Oh, go bear. When I don't follow, we are one of Gremlin. When I go follow my page. Oh, go bear. I want me dinner. Oh, born like bear. Who give out the one of Dutchland? Oh, the other one of Bremen. Oh, oh, yeah, there no. If you not think of it pregnant of the million, we go pregnant, man. Wait another person picky. Don't be like also when they never use that picky to talk to IK for bed for night. Oh, but now we're going to do so. May they know that way. May I don't know where. Oh, go home. They use your own. Where do you know where I may walk away? How come they don't know where? Hey. You go kill you. Man, I don't follow. We are going on Gremlin. Who does a IK? Who does a IK? He ain't picking you to pass. Who knows IK? Oh, we are going on Gremlin. How many take to pass the picking? No, go. No, so I don't watch the video.
Thank you.
I don't watch the video. How come now your video now take video tomorrow? Then they know where you are going. Where your mama they tell you shut up. Take me to my uncle to in Italy. If we are one of them is to your son, why is the does they can't go with your uncle for Italy? If they don't walk well, oh, God, check who walk well. You if they that might leave you.
Thank you. Young woman, what? Please, I beg, I just got a beg una. Now my daughter calls so. See when I go follow her. I be just me. I do have what for IK. My daughter don't provoke. Since where I did this media, I never do advert to my goddaughter. I beg me when I go follow my goddaughter. If you love me, follow my goddaughter. Cause wait till she talk now. I don't want you mouth to come. Iman you me I beg. When I follow my daughter, when I follow her, I don't want to call her Obiako one of those land. Understand? I don't want to call no. You never reach like that. The quarter never reach like that. Me, I don't quarrel with anybody. I can't my G, my guy. Even though she does me. For the big fish, Not supposed to know say, my Baba with a smile, the king of all. For this social media. They must talk about me. See, the call I received today alone. Oh God. I need my drink. I come back, country beer. I don't drink small. I drink big styles. You know why? Don't be everything I go to for media. Hey, we my guy. Kudos to you, bro. Hey, we my guy. I they call you my guy. You know why? When you try to drag me to shame and disgrace, you give me victory. You know, you think you are dragging me to shame and disgrace by playing the video I did 2020 on your platform. And all those your blogger or your wife, I don't know who get the blogs, greater glory. Do such a blog the video, go right from it, drag the attention of the palace to the video. And they have to come to order as Umenwe of the universe. The O2 no one, the new what they are Kobisi. Ewi, my boy, you are a boy. Ewi, my slave. A very big thanks to you, bro. A very, very big thanks to you. I can leave the rest for God Almighty and for our ancestors. So about talk, baby. You see life. Yes, I zone fi bini. You said, but why your wife go the gossip husband? God save the man. Kudos to you, whosoever there wrote that comment. In a very clear platform, let me explain that's your comments very clearly. My wife does not have any damn faults. All the way this Sylvia, so-called Sylvia. You see Sylvia, where they talk now? Now this same place, now Sylvia come, you see down here. Come do Africa things, come buy food stuff. Hey, go cook for me for us. We don't want to cook. Now here. Now here for buy a we. We are this one for buy a we. We don't want to cook. The same Sylvia where they talk so. Now Africa, you know the shop we are this so. Now idiots. Now listen. Now me marry my wife. I'm gonna let my wife understand. Say I'm not gonna marry one wife. And she asked me how many girlfriends you get. And I said I get several girlfriends. Which one you love? Who you would like to marry? Join me. Measure them. I measure 2. Say really yes sir. I confess them. That was when I have. When I'm talking, I have proof of everything I'm saying. You feel me? Now because of your comment, now make me I want grant this words to every niggas out there who they watch my videos, so that you guys will know the kind of person where I be. I'm not a fear to fucking ash. For those who can read, this is Umenwe Wife Association. This is a WhatsApp group that I created for all my wives. 3 wives. 3 wives. Mommy Kevin, Sylvia, Smarts, Blessing. There are 3. And they have a group, a WhatsApp group. And this is where they communicate every evening. When many people don't understand, the audio you see Sylvia playing today was recorded from this WhatsApp group I created for all my 3 wives. As the king of social media, your body not full. No poor body, you call it to. More said no when I reached to do one. This same WhatsApp group was the WhatsApp where I shown us so. So for those of you who don't know, make you know now. Before you the judge, the reason for you the judge. This same Sylvia almost commit suicide. Thank God for the audio I played. We don't change up and down, say she was on mission. Hey, forget that story. Nothing like mission. I have ended the relationship with Sylvia for 2 occasions. The third one, actually, cried that cry when she saw. For voice, the rest one was on voice call, on calls, audio call. That is Sylvia for you. The person will give her that mind, what she do all this rubbish so. Now she know. She's such a shameless person. We don't the shame. What she the shame. If Sylvia come my city here, if I did for front, she go there for back. She don't work. She don't want me to see her with me because she the shame. Maybe they not go snap her, go post her, present and not go beat her for live video. That's the Sylvia for you. Now, why they answer you because of the message who you write there. Now, all those conversations you see is what every woman would do. When a man say, "Now 3 wife, he want marry," you don't show his wife the 3 wife, and they still get extra, which is mommy let take your lead. What lead to those conversations you see there is because of mommy let take your lead. You degbe one of Papillon and wake up of Spain. That fat or about 2. Where in be like local Z boost. Now make you see that conversation there. The 3 of them knew that woman was in my house. Because that woman was not part and parcel of my wife. She was just a fucking mate. Sylvia knew. It's so unfortunately say, Sylvia did cut her own record out of the conversation. If you hear Sylvia record, it's worse than my wife's own. But you know what? Behold, everybody. I am so happy. I am the most happiest man today to know that Sylvia was a demon in my life. As we speak, today, when I call my family for house, for Naija, we they talk. He say, only naked no you know, I want to work in media. He say, girl no record. Or we record the mom when we a conference call. That was what I told my family today. About Sylvia. Aware, not aware. We don't look bad. You might go on. No, I don't want to do you you know, yes, you ain't going to do. We don't look bad. No, we record it. But all like me. Get up on a soon. It's a message to Sylvia now for my family. All the organ of woman up there, and what to hear soon. You know, VI that I bought here. I may work. Why I'm working with TBA. Woman up what you need. It's a message. Or in a P4. Why they talk this thing? Before you go gossip anybody, let it be a direct gossiping. One person on the gossip. It takes 2 to 3 to 4 people to gossip people. These 3 women was on WhatsApp group. So she just to play the direct WhatsApp group of the 3 women. Let's hear who is evil and who is genuine. Oh, what the memory your own your boss you work at me. Sylvia's own sister begged me and I said he hand over Sylvia to Makevi. But you know, no you made on your TikTok, no soon, then Guazebo. He hand over Sylvia to Makevi. None unknowingly to even his sister. Say it's not only because that one knowingly or thing the bonus is there. Only big belay. Always see the guy take go or take be frankie. You guys say but winning. Remember to a book of the car be money again next year. Oh, out to win. Before me lot of the coin for the bottom. It don't bother for the bottom. Me, one of the Frank was here. You know, Frank, I'm very useless woman. You okay. A family where here be a page in. Ya come up 1 million page in the page in. More here be page away. See here, a do blog in more care one. More big bear. On the cap, a sharp, and the thing with no go do you. But make money chop where you know the benefit of Facebook. So go for any other niggas bloggers out there, go and tell her to help her to secure your page. Go and go deal with her. Do that thing. A Becky no go gonna. Becky don't make for ground. She nature. Now me more. You know, see that you know. I've shown it to you. I show you my laptop. How much back in the week? How I they collect water of my account? You know, I want the cap. I'm always man. You know, no one go to school. I'm idiots. I go shook over your eye. You understand? Now small piano. How I look well. They my drink. The walaya gbeyazo. Go ya copy. Pack ya de hoya o won ba se. Well, we on Facebook on me. But I went to Facebook mom. I have something better in life to do. Not Facebook. I will ready for you, but let Facebook. Share video me. I'm going to show you. Rita Osas. I felt block you many years ago because of your stupidity. You understand? I blocked you many years ago. You are not a good person. You're a very useless human being. You know. I don't need to talk to you. You know that you're a very useless human being. I blocked you many years ago. So now get that mind to come here. I will still block you again. You understand? Get out of my platform. Yes. I'll block you now. I block you again. Any of my platform you come out, I'm going to block you. You know why? Because you're a stupid woman. Rita Osas. Me and you they talk for WhatsApp before many years ago. That's 2019, 2020 something. You're a stupid woman. 2020, yeah. Until you become a nuisance. When I started to beat Monica, then you become a nuisance. Now you see they shot Monica. You run come here again. If you be Lola, no soon. If you not get no beef with yourself, when I go kill yourself, because I mean, Monica fuck with me, I'll deal with her. Not use me to fight Monica. That's me. I'm too smart, I'm too intelligent to support you. So you help me, you help me and fight me and beat Monica. You mad. Facebook well. You not go use your hand do video so Monica. Monica insult me, I go disgrace her. Now, there's one word I want to say. You see, this issue with the grand so we say concern Monica and Judy London. Wageno Takata you. This man love me. Don't go for the past many years now. People will say, Frank, if you be not know what's no. People don't know why. Nothing. Use your hand, carry a comment. And I go through the role. That's me. So, without wasting much time, I'm not going to show them. After they call me for their videos, I go answer them. Now Monica and Julie and we're going to try to call me. So I have to answer them. Are you not clear? Automatically I key the dawn Alpha Market. How many people watch Aki? Let's say Aki the life. How many people watch me? If Aki view past my own, I go off my live video. Yes, me. If people they view Aki, it pass my own, I'm not going to do live video again. I go off my live video. It's very straight. Monica, now you become a designer. Now you see the Monica, you run come here again. I know. When you get a boost, when you give it, you are the live video. You are travel. I go give me a live video. I swear. No be loud. But Mona help me check. Mona travel go Aki platform. Mona go check. People when they watch Aki, 20%. I go off this live video. Live. Anyway. I go off this live. We don't know how many people watch Aki now. What one know? Me not tell me. Then we see Ekman.
No.
What's the level now?
Come on.
Real life. Well, I'll support Monica or Odo. Monica, well, Monica Fancy, no, GPC, no. Well, I'm waiting. I don't know.
Imoto ege aru somebody me imane be amaya you na you na aru isuteme man I don't know you some people you black so you black pushuva for this approach okuya eti mujia ni ogele zeme kana okuya o gele amata o muta amata ero awabi ohun bigo wala agbada awabi ohun bigo I don't understand sometimes men I still like her bros, bros. See, I like her. You know your girlfriend for this social media. Oh, right, this your godson, See, know your girlfriend for this live video, Baba. No girlfriend. Oh, say no. No, why with me? Now. Who man? No, why with me? Say, who with you? Oh, no, boy, anyway. No, do I want say? I don't know. Oh, say no friend. No friend for this Facebook at all. Say no, Baba. No be lie at all. No friend, no. You must be this presenter. I beg. You fashion them. Fashion them from one corner. You need to do bad thing. Now, truth they tell them. If they don't want to hear, may they correct their way.
Exactly.
Now, I beg. Domo.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I appreciate it. No one thing. Let me first clear this issue very clearly. You see the way I do so, not different. As far as social media is concerned, friend, I don't go to the reason I do. I make come and say I've been one man squad for the social media. You know why? They are usually I don't see the finish before I come live video. It did me for and that's the reason why I do on my own. But anyone will need my help. Because they will be like me, I will not hesitate to help them. You understand? That's just me. I will not hesitate to help them. That's me for you. Understand? So if they see the increase tomorrow, today, next tomorrow.
Video so
it will not make me stop doing good. I feel safe now, small boy. We married to in sister age mate or in mommy age mate. So, but that's not a problem. Not saying any problem there. You can find love in any way. Doesn't really matter. Whether you senior your wife or your wife senior you, it don't matter. The most important we see, you get love. You understand? You get love. You loved your wife, and your wife loved you. That's the most funniest part of it all. You see, Don, General, Aki. I don't get issue with her. When your wife insult me, I don't send. Where they off my life, you know, they pick on. I don't get time. My father. I want to get where the get go this with. I can a small boy will be saying you want to try to become relevant for the society. Now your wife will find we not know IK before. Now your wife will be presenter. Your wife just switch IK inside. You understand? So people they look I say because IK be like ants, be like small picking. So they try they want to discriminate they oppress IK. IK, you know all those small children way small, they want to show themselves. So I can try to see how you go to that. Bro, I don't lie you. Use me grow. I may give you the go ahead. Use me grow. Don't level. If I don't like you, I don't want me to grow. I don't make sure enough my platform. Yes, now. More. Always man. You see, when I write, when I send message to IK, I don't say to ABC. If I don't want me you grow, I don't go write message to Ike. I mean you grow me for no sense, me for get sense. So you will grow, God will bless you. You will do the situation, you will do the condition where I did today. We will say a big boy. Big fish for business about space, one of the biggest fish now for business about space. I mean, if you don't make you know now, one of the biggest fish for business about space. I mean, everybody, the whole preserve. Let's hit on him. Let's fish from him. He's a king. He remains the king. A lion is always the king of the forest. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Yo, Adeu Maodogun, Awanyo. These are my children. And for my fans, my lovely fans, don't be angry when you see Ake insulting me. No, not insulting. No fear. She's just trying to be a man. To be relevant in society as a man. So please don't insult him back. Don't bully him. I am not a producer that encourage bullying. I might be a bully, but I don't encourage bullying. As my fans, you love me. I know you guys love me, and I appreciate you guys for that. May God richly bless you guys. And please, if you want to say bully people, so when you send me money, I need money. When you send me money, send me toto. 3 toto for me. 3 toto. Why? I'm not give it toto. If you see your mother, contact me. But you must get money. Make a care of make us. Understand? I mean, toto repairer. Make I service you. For your place now, I go service them. Give me small thing, I follow up with you. They do the zuzu. They wash pizza when they sort it. Just they just they play. Toto go roti. No level. They don't mind drinking. Aye, why? Oh, I thought I no one not hate Aki. Please, if you love me, don't hate Aki. Aki is a nice guy. He's a cool guy. You understand? He's a slave. You understand? So don't hate Aki. Aki is a slave to Monica. He's a slave. He's a puppy. So don't hate him.